Hello, and welcome to this meditation for self-love. Follow my verbal cues and take a few minutes out for yourself today for care, love, and reflection. Find a seat that allows you to relax into your space. This might be sitting cross-legged on the floor, sitting in a chair, or lying down. Take a moment to settle in and find a position that is comfortable and relaxing to you. Don't rush this part. As we're taking time for ourselves to tend to our minds, we also want to make sure that our bodies are getting the most out of the experience as well. Make your space right for you. If you need to find something to help make your space more comfortable, take the time to do so. Get up and find a pillow or a blanket, a sweater, anything that you need to feel more comfortable and more relaxed before you take the time to meditate. Whichever position you settle on, whether it's sitting up straight or lying down in a supportive position, make sure that you have good posture or keeping your spine long and straight, and that you aren't straining to maintain your position. You aren't holding tension anywhere where you don't have to be. Once you've found your position, begin to relax your body. To do this, start by deepening your breath. Let's set an easy rhythm of breathing in through our nose and out through our nose, but breathing mindfully, drawing air into our belly, filling our bellies up, and feeling our bellies collapse as we breathe out. Let your breath become a full-bodied experience. Allowing yourself to take big, full, deep breaths is an act of love. We're tending to our bodies while also allowing our minds to clear as we focus on the sensation of filling ourselves with oxygen. As you create a rhythm of deep breathing for our meditation today, now start to turn your attention to relaxing your body. Maybe the position that you chose isn't working for you and you found yourself becoming restless already, or something is uncomfortable and feels blocked in some way. Allow yourself to wiggle, to readjust, to change to a sitting or lying down position. Or if you're already happy with your position, wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe roll your neck a little bit. And look for any points of tension in your body, in your muscles, in your joints. And give yourself permission to move around and let things loose. Clearing our minds and letting go of the day so far does not have to be a process of restrictive discipline, but rather an easing into ourselves, to giving in to what we're feeling and being kind to anything that needs more attention, mentally and physically. If you're feeling stuck, do something to change it up. As you've checked in with your physical body, now allow yourself to check in with your mind. See what thoughts are coming up for you right now. Do you feel present? Are your thoughts drifting? Is there something on the edges that's distracting or stressful? Whatever it is, just give yourself permission to let it go for a few minutes. Know that you can come back to anything that needs your attention later on. But right now, you are giving yourself the gift of clarity and release. Move your attention away from your thoughts to the space around you. Whether your eyes are closed or resting on a neutral space, tune in to what you can sense about the space that you're in. Maybe you're completely alone with silence around you. Or maybe you're in an office with background noise, taking a break in the middle of your day. Maybe you have family or children moving around in the next room. Maybe you have pets with you who are bringing movement, sound, and warmth to this space. Pay attention to what you can hear. Pay attention to light. What can you feel in the space around you right now? And what are you bringing to this space? How does your presence, wherever you are right now, affect the space that you're in? What are you giving to this space at this time that no one else is? As we're turning our attention back to ourselves, think about something that you've done today that you're proud of. Maybe you're in the middle of your day with a lot of momentum going. Maybe it's the morning and you've woken up recently and getting out of bed is something that you're proud of. Maybe you've reached the end of your day and you can reflect back on everything that has happened so far. Whatever point you're at, find one thing that makes you proud that you've done today. This might not be the biggest accomplishment that you've made, but it might be something that you've done in a way that makes you feel proud. Something that you've done with particular care and attention, or in a particularly beautiful way. When you find something that you're proud of, hold on to that thought and deepen your breath a little bit more. Taking a big deep breath in and releasing a long breath out. If turning your attention to your actions is not something that is easy for you, make sure that you check in with your body again now. Make sure that you aren't tensing anywhere or holding anything in. Just allow yourself to breathe and sit with where you're at today so far. Think now about something that you're looking forward to. This might be something in the next hour, in the next day, maybe in the next week or more. What's something that you have going on that gets you excited, that brings a smile to your face, that you've set up in the future for your future self to enjoy? If there isn't something that comes to mind right away, you might want to set the intention of planning something special for yourself in the coming week. What is an act of self-care that you could plan? When you've found something, hold on to that good feeling of knowing that you have something for yourself to look forward to, that you've planned to add happiness to your life in the upcoming future. And breathe into that feeling. Now start to wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Maybe press them into the carpet, the cushion, the floor, wherever you are right now. Getting back in touch with the physical space that you're in. Drawing your attention again to the sounds and light around you. And slowly start to open your eyes. You can stay here in this state for longer, or you can go out into your day knowing that you've taken time for yourself to reflect on the good things that you've done and the good things that are to come, and that you've given yourself the gift of relaxing and releasing today. Remember that you can return to these feelings at any time and repeat this meditation any day.